When you're in Batangas, I think one of the most popular dishes would be the sinaing na tulingan, the lomi of course, and bulanglang o yung sabaw ng gulay. These are really Batangas favorites. Hi, I am Chef Paul Poblador, punong kusinero ng Lima Park Hotel. Yun, pag nasa Batangas kayo, you should always try to eat what the locals eat. And these are the sinaing na tulingan, yan. Tapos meron pa tayong goto Batangas, which is different from the goto sa Manila, na may kanin. Dito, it's just all innards. Na parang niluto siya na parang papaitan na hindi mapait. It's not really a rice gruel dish. No? And then, syempre, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung bulalo, lomi. Lipa is very famous for lomi, which has roots in the Chinese community of Old. Yung mga kikiam, dyan nag-start yung mga kikiam nila. So, kikiam is one of the prime components of a real lomi. And also the noodles, no? The Mickey noodles ng lomi is unique to Lipa City. Okay, ang merienda natin sa Batangas, pandesal. Number 1 yan. Marami talagang panaderia dito sa Batangas. No? So, pandesal, pwede mong i-match with peanut butter, rino, quesong puti, kung social. Matched again with kapeng barako. So, the Southern Tagalog food trip ay isang biyahe ng mga probinsya na nasa Katagalugan. The hotel offers this to the visitors and to our clients so they themselves can actually experience this culinary trip without leaving the premises. Sa atin, nag-umpisa tayo sa Quezon, kung saan maghahab-hab tayo ng pansit nila. Tapos yung ating adobong tadyang ng baboy sa sukang niyog. So basically, it's adobong puti. Kinukuha natin yung suka nun sa Laguna naman. Babalik tayo sa bandang Rizal, kung saan kain tayo ng sarsang kasuy na minatch natin sa kinulob na manok. Kinulob na manok is more of a pot roasted chicken with chorizos and vegetables. And then it moves to Batangas, bulalo, kung saan slow cook yung beef shanks in a clear onion broth. Minsan nalagyan ng gulay, it really depends on the kusinero. Slow cook, again, hours and hours and hours, hanggang sa lumambot yung mga litid. Tapos doon lang siya pinipair off with patis, kalamansi. Minsan, may konting asin na lang, okay na. And then pagkatapos ng bulalo, we go to our main courses na sinaing na tulingan. Yan, lalagyan mo konting patis, yung pinaka-bracing liquid. Tapos syempre, hindi pwede mong kainin yung sinaing na tulingan hanggat hindi mo nilagyan ng kapeng barako yung kanin na kakainin mo. So mapait-pait, na maalat-alat, yun ang palit ng Batanggenyo. Kapeng barako is the lifeblood of the Batanggenyos. Umagang-umaga pa lang, pagising, barako na yan. Lalo na sa bukid, yan ang pampagising nila eh. Nasa takuri lang yan, hahaluan ng konting asukal, tubig, pakukuluan, tapos ipo-pour out, may strainer lang. Tapos malagkit-lagkit yun dahil sobrang tapang nun. Tapos yung takuring yun, nandun lang sa lutuan, buong araw yun nandun. Malakas kasi ang influence ng coffee in the Lipa area. Lipa was created into a city not because the Philippine government decided to, but it was the Spanish government that made us into a city because of the coffee.